Peace, family. This is your favorite business and entertainment law attorney, Talib Saber, with the Saber firm, here again with another legal breakdown of some things that have been happening in the news. So today we're going to touch on Jonathan Majors and the morals clause in contracts. So a lot of you already know about Jonathan Majors and the accusations that he had, he was found guilty of for assault and harassment of his ex-girlfriend. But his case really can be an example for what we call in the law a morals clause, which is a clause within your contract. But before we dive into that, let's take a look at a particular portion of his interview.
Majors' career as a rising Hollywood actor is now in limbo. Future appearances playing Kang the Conqueror in the Marvel Cinematic Universe have been scrapped.
You hear the verdict.
Yeah.
The same day Marvel drops you. Your reaction?
Same hour. Same half hour, I think. It's like the world stopped. You know, it's like you work so hard for things, and then, it's done,
So as we can see in the interview, not only did Marvel drop him the same day that the verdict came out, his talent management dropped him, his publicity firm dropped him, and the U.S. Army pulled their campaign ad of him. But he's not the only celebrity to go through this. Kanye West went through it when he was dropped by Adidas as well as Balenciaga. Tiger Woods a few years ago went through it when Gillette dropped him. And then Mike Vick went through it when he was dropped by Nike. So let's talk about this morals clause and exactly what it is. So a morals clause, commonly known also as a bad behavior clause, is a clause in a contract that basically allows one party to terminate the contract in the event that the other party has some type of bad behavior or conduct that brings to the first party negative light or puts a bad reputation on them. So again, we saw it when Kanye was dropped, and that's what happened in this situation. Typically, companies put this in their contracts to protect themselves from any type of behavior that happens outside of the realm of the contract, right? So they don't want to be associated with someone who can commit or who has committed crimes in some capacity, or even made statements that could be just looked at in a negative light. So most companies put it in there just to protect themselves. So whether you're an entertainer, an athlete, or if you work a 9 to 5, you must be mindful and aware of what's in your contract and what you can and cannot do. And furthermore, you need to know what the other party can and can't do in the event you decide to wild out. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment below.